All right, buddies, grab something to draw with and a piece of paper and get ready because we're doing another attempt at another silly water creature from the Black Lagoon, something like that. But super easy for kids and parents if you want to try. Let's get started. All right, super simple. Big old eyeball and mouth and then little like fishy feet and hands. I did the short and you guys liked it, so let's give this one a try and move these markers over. All right, one big circle in the middle, breadies. Remember, our eyes do not have to be perfect. Our circles don't either. Just big, fun circle. All right, and then for the creature from the Black Lagoon, we're gonna do this like pointy black fish eyeball looking thing. Cool? All right, buddies. Now we're gonna give him, you guys like this on the short, so we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do this like big, silly smile. So let's just go down and then around and then back up like that. Super fun, super easy, breadies. All right, now we're gonna take this bad boy up and around to like a fish butt, all right? Super silly, we're gonna do it. Let's go up around the eye, whee, back down, and now almost like a little fish body, past the mouth, boom, stop right there. All right, buddies, next, we're gonna do a little lip bump, like that. And then we're gonna connect this bad boy. We're gonna do a little fish fin. So let's put a dot like right here, boom. Because we're gonna take this down and stop right there. Okay, ready? Down, start heading back up, and boom. It's looking so good. All right, little simple fish fin. Everyone kind of does like this, like a little, almost like a duck foot. Got it? All right. Now we're gonna bring this bad boy up and meet here. So go up, boom, and stop right there. Take this over and stop right there. Now we're gonna do kind of again, a little fish butt, a little fish paddle. 1, 2, 3. Connect it. Oh, it's looking so funny. All right. Easy little line for the fin in the middle. Boop. Same thing here. Boop. And then we got one hand there. Let's make a little hand poke out over on this side. So again, just a line up, a line down, and then meet in the middle like that. And then a line in the middle. Coming together, breadies. All right, let's do 3 round teeth to make this really funny. Ready? 1 round tooth. 2 round tooths. And the last one, 3 round teeth. All right, we're gonna leave it like that. For the bottom, let's just leave it empty, breadies. And we'll do like a tongue. So let's make the bottom of the lip connect. We'll color that in black. And then right here, we'll do a silly tongue to the back. We'll go up. Imagine it going through the tooth and over like that. For the big, we'll do a big red tooth right there. All right, in the video for the short, I gave him skinny, funny legs. I think we'll keep it going with these little fin guys. And then, so it's like a fish turning into a monster, like now he's got legs. So for that, we'll do a real simple, because he can't really stand on these pokey pokies. So we'll just curve it down like feet and curve it down. And then same thing right here. Curve it down, and then we'll just kind of like he's standing on that, right? So we'll just do like feet. So just connect it. Boom, boom, boom. And then we'll do the leg, the little line. And that's it, Breadies. Super fun and easy. All right, so we're gonna color this thing. It's gonna bring it to life. I'm gonna fast forward and you can color like me, or you can choose your own colors. I love creativity, so I would like to see some of your own colors. And then send me a comment so I can go to your YouTube and watch yours, okay? Let's start to color. Right, and that is it. Boom. That one was fun. All right, Breadies, ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo woo! What do you think? I like it. Colors turned out well. This one was simple, so try it at home. You can watch the video and create this. It was so easy. Circle, big round, easy fins, teeth, tongue. It looks so good, and most important, it was fun. So, like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications so you can do another one with me tomorrow. I'll see you later, Breadies. Bye.